Storz Bickel.
The MIGHTY is a portable vaporizer from Storz Bickel. In order to ensure an optimal vaporization, we recommend to clean the MIGHTY at least once a week as follows. Remove the cooling unit. Pull out the mouthpiece and remove the seal ring. Unlock the cap lock and remove it by pressing against one side and pulling it up on the other side. Separate the cooling unit cap from the base. You can remove the large seal ring by levering it out from the recess in the notch with the filling chamber tool. Remove the small seal ring as well, and use the tool to push out the screen from above. Remove the lower screen by pressing it down alongside the indents in the filling chamber. This will bend the screen and disengage it from the groove in the filling chamber. Afterwards, immerse all parts, except for the cap lock, into ethanol for 1 hour maximum. Residues can be removed easier through shaking or stirring. Clean the filling chamber with a cotton swab that has been soaked in alcohol. Make sure no alcohol leaks into the MIGHTY. Now, insert a new screen. Finally, rinse all parts that have been immersed into alcohol with warm water before you reassemble the cooling unit in reverse order.
Storz Bickel. Inhale the difference.